How the Ford Flathead V8 engine shaped American hot rod culture forever. The Ford Flathead V8's simple, compact design made powerful performance affordable for everyday car enthusiasts. Its unique side valve layout allowed easy modifications, sparking creativity among early hot rodders and customizers. Flathead V8s dominated early drag strips and street races, fueling America's obsession with speed and competition. The engine's accessibility inspired a generation to build, race, and personalize cars, cementing hot rodding as a cultural movement. Like and follow for more captivating stories about legendary engines and car culture icons.